Good evening. The topic for today is Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank has recently announced $800 million in loans to Pakistan for policy reforms and social protection. But India has strongly protested this package of ADB, saying that Pakistan's tax to GDP ratio has dropped from 13% to 9.2% in financial year 2023. Meanwhile, the defense spending of Pakistan has sharply increased over the same period, raising fears of diversion of funds towards military and cross-border terrorism. So, India has urged ADB to adequately ring-fence the financing, which means that the funds should be used only for development and not for military purposes. Here, why is it important for us? What is the UPSC relevance? For us, Asian Development Bank is an important topic. Asian Development Bank is founded in 1966, headquartered in Manila, Philippines, with 68 members, 49 regional members and 19 non-regional members, which means that it has members outside Asia. And it gives policy-based loans as well as program-based guarantees. Asian Development Bank has also put some conditions while giving loans. It mandates environmental and social safeguards and is increasingly adopting anti-corruption measures. And ring fencing is one of the selective conditionality which ensures that funds aren't diverted for unintended uses, as India pointed out. So, what is India's role in ADB? India is among the top 5 shareholders. What are the focus areas of ADBs? It gives loans for infrastructure, urban development, climate resilience, regional connectivity and poverty reduction. For us, the important prelims pointers are headquarters Manila, Philippines, from Asia Pacific and also from outsiders. We have members from outsiders also. India is a founding member, important, and it is the 4th largest shareholder. ADB lends to government. It also lends to non-sovereign operations to private sector, and it also gives policy-based lending. What are the reports of ADB? One is Asian Development Outlook, and one is Asian Development Bank Energy Outlook. Okay, then major Asian Development Bank funded projects in India is Delhi Meerut RRTS, Smart City Development, Clean Energies and Solar Parks. If we see the shareholding pattern of Asian Development Bank, first is Japan, second is United States. So even though it is Asian Development Bank, United States has the top shareholding percentage. Next is China and next is India. So the voting pattern here combines of basic votes, which is equal for all, also share-based votes, which means this is the voting power, where India holds 4th position. If we see PYQ based on Asian Development Bank, with reference to Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank and Asian Development Bank, consider the following statements. AIIB has more members than Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank headquarters is in Tokyo. And AIIB does not have any member countries from outside Asia. In this, we know that second option is incorrect. And it is a pure, does not have any member countries from outside Asia. We can eliminate this option easily. So the answer is 1 only. Second, it is not directly related, but you can prepare on the basis of this question. Global Financial Stability Report is prepared by IMF, International Monetary Fund. And recently we also saw Asian Development Bank releases reports. There are 2 reports Asian Development Bank releases. One is Asian Development Bank Outlook and other is Asian Development Bank Energy Outlook. Okay. Then one more prelims question if we see. Japan and China are 2 largest shareholders in ADB. India is among top 5 shareholders and headquarters is located in Tokyo. This is wrong. India is among top 5. Yes, India is in 4th position. Japan and China are 2. No, China is in 3rd. US is in 2nd. Okay. So first is wrong. Option is 2 and 3 only. Sorry, it is 3 is wrong. Answer is 2 only. This is a sample mains question. Try to attempt this question. Thank you.